Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a route in Google Maps. So first of all, open up any web browser, or if you're on phone then you can open the Google Maps app. Now open up the maps.google.com in the web browser. Now I'm going to select a place here. Suppose I'm going to select Bakersfield and then click on directions. So open up the place on which you want to save the route. So from Bakersfield to, suppose I'm going to enter California, the starting place. Okay, now choose the correct option at the top, whether you want the car, train, transit, or you need to go by walking or by cycling. Okay, so once you do that, so there are two routes available. Now I'm going to click on details here. The first one, fastest route. Okay, so if you are on laptop, then there are two options that you can do it. You can bookmark this page, okay, using your control D option, or the bookmarks here, bookmarks manager here. Okay, and the second thing, you can simply send it to your phone. Okay, so if I click this option right here, which is showing just like phone and arrow, so it will show up your phone if it is connected, or you can actually email this route to your email ID. Okay, from here you can also click on the share option, and you can actually save this link on your laptop. You can also WhatsApp it, you can also Twitter it. Okay, you can also send it to Gmail from here. Now if you're on phone, then you'll get the three dots or more option at the top right corner. If you click there, then there will be an option to add the route on your home screen. So it will add a shortcut to your home screen on the phone. Okay, whether it is iPhone or Android. So once you go there and click it, then it will open up the same route that you have searched before. Okay, so this is how easily, these are the two ways to do it on your laptop or on the phone. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.